In our previous video, you saw the Corvette ZR1X destroy 3 different Tesla Model S Plaids down the quarter mile at TX2K. But how does the ZR1X stack up against a modified 2026 Tesla Plaid with an extra 200 horsepower and 160 pounds of weight reduction at full charge? Comparing the modified Tesla Plaid against the ZR1X promises to be an epic comparison, with the ZR1X previously running 8.7 in the quarter mile, but the hot Arizona desert will certainly play a role in the outcome of this heads-up race. Electric cars love the heat, and combustion cars despise it. The venue for the race is the 3,500-foot back straight at the Apex Motor Club near Phoenix, Arizona, where these two will do 3 drag races and a roll race. So we're out here at Apex Festival. Thanks for them and Mark for attorneys on retainer, providing the ZR1X and the track day. We are out here with an epic race. This is the rematch of what you saw out at TX2K when I raced Peter's ZR1X versus not 1, not 2, but 3 Tesla Plaids that all pretty much got destroyed. We did the best we could, but we're going even a step further. Joe drove out from Sacramento to race his Tesla Plaid. We got something special for you today. This is not a stock Tesla Plaid. Most of you probably don't know, but you can actually tune these Plaids, and that's what he offers. So you can add up to 200 horsepower, is that right?
A little under 200, so it really depends on your car's current performance, but it's an incredible gain, especially from a roll. So this is a 26 Plaid, got my very spicy tune box on it, also got my ceramic brake kit on it, sirharold.com, and I got Project 12 lightweight wheels. So I love the ZR1X. It's going to be my next ride. I don't expect to beat it, but it'll be a good race.
He's playing me slow. Make no doubt about it. This thing, I know what he runs. We're not going to say what he runs. I know what this runs. I know what it traps. It is absolutely insane. He's got this crazy custom wheel, super lightweight drag radiator on here. Okay, you got ceramic brake up front.
Stage 1 hack pack is what I call it.
This is the Stage 1 hack pack. He's also got some weight reduction. We're going to be completely transparent here. I think he probably pulled out maybe 200 pounds out of the car, so you can see here, but he did a good job making it look nice. Like, there's no metal showing. You put some carpet back in here. I mean, kind of looks like a Demon 170 back here a little bit.
Yeah, we got a rear seat delete kit in there. It's all carpeted. And then got this lightweight passenger seat in here. This is a fully functional seat though. Pre-tensioner, bags, all of it work. But it is lighter. It's about 15 pounds lighter than the OEM seat. Every pound matters.
Wow, look at that. Pretty cool, and he's got some extra gear in here. So this is gonna be a pretty cool race. We're out here at Apex Club. They have a 3,500 foot straight down the back. We got quarter mile marked off. We might go a little farther. You can basically run about half the distance of the total. So we could go 1,600 feet. And this is an epic day. Look at that. There's 2 Valkyries out there. That's a regular one. Then there's a race Valkyrie running around out there too. Absolutely crazy, crazy loud. I got a video coming of the Valkyrie. Make sure you subscribe and we'll get to that. But let's jump to the races. We're gonna do 2 drag races and a roll race. Full disclaimer, the ZR1X has already raced 6 times against the Bugatti Chiron. I'm trying to let it cool off here and doing the best we can. There's really not much of a breeze here. I'm trying to get it cool, but obviously the heat is gonna make the ZR1X suffer, and it's gonna help Joe here in the Tesla Plaid. Special thanks to Mark Victor and attorneys on retainer for providing the ZR1X and track time for today's races. They provide unlimited nationwide self-defense legal protection that's a great fit for firearm owners and concealed carriers. Scan the QR code or use the promo code DTAOR for a special drag times discount and get peace of mind when it matters the most. Check out the spec here. This is the low drag ZR1, so no big wing. We don't have to worry about taking off the big wing, although there is some aero on here. You could probably take this off. We're not going to bother doing that. We got the Michelin Pilot PS4 tires. Other than that, this car is completely stock. We are in Arizona. They only have 91 octane fuel. So to bring up the octane a little bit, we splashed the car with a little bit of 100 to bring that octane to at least 93, maybe 94. Before we get to the races, I want to show you what I picked up for the ZR1, this Redtiger F7NA dash cam. This is a brand new release. Installing the dash cam, which has a front 4K sensor and the rear bumper cam as well, was super easy. Here it is, the Redtiger F7NA. It's got a touchscreen on the back, super easy to use. On the top here, you plug in your power and your rear camera. And I like that it has a suction mount on here. And so we got it installed in here. It just slides on your seat. So you remove it and take it off as you please. You can see we got the touchscreen, so you can see we got the front 4K sensor. This is the bumper cam or the rear camera. You can get both images on the display at the same time if you like. The front camera is true 4K with the Sony IMX678 sensor for front recording. Check out how easy it is to read these license plates as I zoom in on the left and right hand side of this car. If you didn't have 4K, this is what you'd see on the right hand side where you can't even read the license plate. Another cool feature is the parking mode. If you're parked, it will record things that are happening around you. So if someone bumps into your car or walks too close to your car like this guy, you'll get all those recordings. There's also an app you can download and connect to the camera over the high-speed Wi-Fi, so you can download some of the footage. It also tracks where you're at on an actual map. It can track your speed and your location, and then there's a ton of settings you can also set with the app. Here's some footage from the rear camera. It's a 1080p at 25 frames per second wide angle. You can see all the action here. It's actually Redtiger's 6th anniversary. They are celebrating with a special discount. Use that discount code on the screen for an extra 15% off, or the link in the description. Interior spec on the ZR1, we got blue side interior, blue seats, carbon fiber. We got the GT2 seats, and pretty cool spec. Love the low drag. Of course, you got the split window in the back here as well. It's time to load up and see what this spicy Plaid can do against the ZR1X. Here we go, Tesla Plaid versus ZR1X. Modified Tesla Plaid, 1200 horsepower. Woo! Plus weight reduction. I got my work cut out for me here. All right, here we're gonna get ready to go. Look what it took, an extra 200 horsepower and weight reduction to beat the ZR1X. Wow, that was a lot closer than I thought. I thought you were gonna kill me. How was your launch? Pretty good? Pretty good launch? You got me by like 1 or 2 cars. Let's roll it back. Okay. I'm actually happy with that launch. I'm gonna bump up the RPMs a little bit to see if I can get a little more juice off the line.
This time?
Well, I'm bumping up the RPMs because it launched pretty good, so I'm gonna get a little more aggressive. You only had me by 1 car. It was close.
You might be able to take him.
It's gonna be close. The thing is, this gets hotter, so let's just see what happens.
All right, go for it.
We're gonna let him drop into cheetah mode. I see his car dropping. Okay, here we go. Ready? Tesla. Woo! Let's go ZR1. Wow, that's 1-to-1. I thought I would get beat 2 times in a row. I think we should do 1 more. Wow. Okay. I bumped up the RPMs a little bit. Now it's 1-1. Yeah. Let's just do 1 more and then we'll do the roll race. I'm gonna leave the RPMs the same. I could go 3,400, but there's a risk of spinning. He's going to the cheetah mode. Hold on. Entering launch. Go. I spun a little bit. Oh, he looks like he got me this time. Go. I spun a little bit. into second gear, this spun, and he basically pulled a car ahead of me. Nothing I can do about that. That was a great race, 2 out of 3. I'm just happy I snuck 1 win off of that. Let's roll it back and do the roll race now. So there you go, ZR1X versus tuned Tesla Plaid, making 1,200 horsepower. It's pretty impressive. I actually thought I was I'm perfectly happy to be interrupted by that. I think I held on pretty well given the weight reduction of the Tesla and the extra horsepower and the Arizona heat. I got 1 win out, but he won 2 out of 3. Then we did the roll race, and you saw it happen. I mean, it's just so easy in a Tesla. You just stab it. I got to have it in the right gear, manual mode, and do all the proper shifting and all that stuff. No excuses. Tesla wins. Revenge of the Tesla. Congrats, Joe.
Thanks,
Appreciate you driving all the way out from
San Diego,
trailering his car with the Cybertruck, having to stop every 150 miles. That's dedication.
And
I really, really appreciate you doing that. If you want to check out Joe's spicy tune, special spicy tune, the module does a lot of other cool things. You can lower the car. It's got crazy burnout mode. I'll put a link down in the description. You can check them out. And then again, special thanks to Apex Club for having us out, along with Mark from Attorneys for Freedom.
And I want to shout out to Mula and Project 12.
There you go. All right, thanks for watching.